Hi everyone. India State Forest Report 2021 is out now. Let us see some of the important points in the India State of Forest Report 2021, in which they are giving a detailed report of the forest cover, the tree cover, then mangrove cover of the country, then carbon stock, etc. So let us see one by one. First, we should understand that this report is released by FSI. The expansion of FSI is Forest Survey of India, and this is a biannual report. That means every 2 year they will be releasing the report. So last report was in the year of 2019. So after 2 years, the next report has come out, that is in the year 2021. Okay, and the coming report will be in 2023. And in this report, they are mentioning about the forest cover and also the tree cover status of the country. They says that there is an increase in the forest cover as well as the tree cover, and there is an increase of about 1540 square kilometers of forest cover, and there is an increase of about 721 square kilometer of tree cover. In total, the total increase in the forest will be 2261 square kilometer. Okay, that is about 0.28% increase in the forest area. And if we are looking a comparison of 2019 and 2021, we can see that the forest cover of 2019 was, in terms of percentage, 21.67, and it has increased to 21.71. Okay, there is a marginal increase in the forest cover from 21.67 to 21.71. And in terms of tree cover, that is also an increase they have shown, and the increase from 2.89% to 2.91%. In total, we have an increase of 24.56% was in 2019, and it has increased to 24.62% from 0.56 to 0.62. So that is the increase when we are comparing the data as that of 2019. Okay, so it is very difficult to remember all these points. So let us learn how much is the current level, that is 24.62%, and also how much is the increase, like 2261 square meter. Okay, so that's all is enough, because first we have to understand that anyway there is an increase in the forest cover as well as the tree cover, and have an idea how much is the total increase in terms of square kilometer. Rest of the things it is difficult to mug up, so have an idea what is the trend, whether it is an increase or decrease, both in the case of forest cover as well as the tree cover. Next is regarding the mangrove cover. The trend is same here also. There is an increase in the mangrove cover, that is about 17 square kilometer. That's a small amount, but still it counts, because mangroves are such an important thing in the current situation. So at present we have 4,992 square kilometer mangroves in the country, and the increase is about 17 square kilometer. Okay, so you don't have to mug up this numbers also, just have an idea that there is an increasing trend, and you should have an idea which all are the states where there is an increase in the mangrove cover. And those states are Odisha with an increase of 8 square kilometer mangroves, Maharashtra with an increase of 4 square kilometer, and Karnataka with an increase of 3 square kilometer. So in all these states, not only these states, there are some more states are there in the list. I have only taken top 3 states with an increase in the mangrove cover. So in all these 3 states, there is an increase in the mangrove cover, and in total we have 17 square kilometer increase, and the present area of this mangrove forest is 4992 square kilometer. Okay, so we have an increasing trend in the forest cover and the tree cover, and also there in the mangrove cover. And not only that, we also have an increasing trend in the carbon stock also. Okay, and at present we have 79.4 million ton increase, and don't, same as the case of other two, don't have to mark up this number also, just have the idea about the trend. Then we have some additional points are also included in this 2021 edition. I mean, new chapters are added in this 2021 edition of India State Forest Report. So they are, one is that the forest cover of the tiger reserve, animal corridors and lion conservation areas are also included in the new edition. That is one point. This is mainly added to compare the rate of increase of the forest cover in these protected areas in the coming years. Okay, so if we are having a data of this protected areas with the level of the forest in the area, in the coming year also, if we are examining the amount of forest in this area, we will have an idea about the rate of change, like whether there is an increase or there is a decrease in the forest cover in this protected area. So in order to find out the change in the forest status of this protected area, they have added a new chapter of the forest cover in this tiger reserve, animal corridors and lion conservation area. Another point is above ground biomass, which means the dead leaves and other biomass present above the soil, that also are measured in this forest report. Okay, so all these data are collected using satellite analysis. Okay, so they have a data of above ground biomass also. Okay, so in this current India State Forest Report, they have the data of forest cover, tree cover, mangrove cover, carbon stock, then additional chapters like forest cover of the reserves, tiger reserves, corridors, lion conservation areas, then above ground biomass. These are the main or core areas mentioned in the India State of Forest Report. And we also have to learn or study some of the points for our exam point of view, like which are the state has shown the increasing trend in the case of forest cover, like top states which is showing increase in the forest cover, and they are Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Odisha. These three states we should remember because we will be getting question based on this only. Okay, so in Andhra they have 647 square kilometer increase, Telangana 632 and Odisha 537. Again, the numbers are not important, but we should have an idea which state has the maximum number of forest cover increase in this 2 year. Okay, so Andhra, Telangana and Odisha are the top states with increase in the forest cover. So in reverse, which all are the states having a decrease in the forest cover. They are Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur and Nagaland. And you should know that all these states are belonging to northeastern India. That area is actually a green area, but this area is showing a decreasing trend in the forest cover. Maybe that is due to some kind of natural calamities and developmental activities, etc. And anyway, this area is showing a decreasing trend. So you should have an idea which are the states are showing the decreasing trend in the forest cover. Next is the another important area, which is area wise largest forest cover states and also percentage wise. Okay, so in terms of area, the largest forest cover is in Madhya Pradesh, and second is for Arunachal Pradesh. Still, even though Arunachal Pradesh is showing a decreasing trend, it has second highest forest cover in the country. And the third state with the highest forest cover is Chhattisgarh. So first is Madhya Pradesh, second is Arunachal Pradesh, and third one is Chhattisgarh. So this is in terms of area. Okay, these states are having largest area of forest cover. And if you are looking at the percentage of the total geographical area, we have another three states. They are Mizoram, Arunachal Pradesh again, and Meghalaya. Okay, in terms of percentage of the total geographical area also, we have Arunachal Pradesh in the state in the list, that is in the second position. Okay, in Mizoram we have 84.53% of the total area is forest, and Arunachal Pradesh 79.33% of the total area is forest, and then Meghalaya 76% of the total state is forest. Okay, so these are the top three states with the percentage of forest as that of the geographical area of the state. Okay, Mizoram, Arunachal Pradesh and Meghalaya. So these two headings, I mean area wise and the percentage wise, the area of the forest state with percentage highest percentage and area are very important for our exam point of view, because usually we get questions based on this topic only. Okay, so have an idea about all these trend as well as the states with the top rankings as well as the least ranking. Okay, so that's all. Thank you.